Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile, while you can visit Roblox.com on your mobile browser. It's important to understand that playing games directly through the website is not the intended or supported method. The mobile website is primarily designed for managing your account, browsing the catalog, and interacting with the community. For the best gaming experience, the dedicated app is always recommended. The official Roblox mobile application is specifically engineered for seamless gameplay on smartphones and tablets. It delivers optimized touch controls, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience for every game. Furthermore, the app provides significantly better performance and stability compared to attempting to play through a mobile web browser, giving you full access to all features. Even though you can't play games directly, the Roblox.com website on your mobile device is still very useful. You can easily log into your account to check your Robux balance, manage your friends list, and update your profile. It's perfect for browsing the avatar shop, redeeming gift cards, or exploring new games before you jump into the app. To truly enjoy Roblox on your mobile device, downloading the dedicated app from your app store is the definitive solution for an immersive gaming experience. Reserve the Roblox.com mobile website for essential account management, social interactions, and exploring the vast Roblox universe. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.